Hello everybody, I'm Oldie Roller and welcome to my channel. Anybody who follows me or has subscribed to my channel has seen my journey through rollerblading, restarting in my 50th year. Now I'm in my 51st year and I'm going to be 52 in December. So yeah, my last video was a difficult one. I was really considering giving up. I was not being able to hit any tricks or anything. So I've taken a good month off recording anything or making any videos, to be honest. And I've really just focused on trying to get back into rollerblading. Anyway, keep it short and sweet. I've made a bit of a progression. I feel a lot more confident, and I've learned a few more tricks. They need to be finessed a little bit and tightened up, but I'm happy to have got the back unity and the front farv, and I'm really trying to focus on hitting the mini ramp a lot more. Anyway, if you have been following me, thank you very much, and I really appreciate everybody who put some nice comments on the last video, and kind of that helped me with not giving up and kept me pushing forward. So thank you to everybody that commented on that last video. If you haven't watched the last video, please, if you're struggling with finding inspiration or you're thinking about giving up, watch the last video and then maybe jump back onto this one, and you'll see a bit of a difference. Anyway, thank you ever so much for tuning in, and take a look at the video. Thank you ever so much again. Take care. Bye.
Looks like a man.
Yeah. Nice and low. Lower the.
Well, slush. There's the definitive whoop. Love a cock on balls. Right. Then as I came back in, I was like, ah! Pistol. Ooh. Hey. Oh, that was so fun.
Without fucking taking it as well. Oh, you can. Are you giving me
Scary. Scary. Jump. Jump that.